In all my experience in trading, in all the years I've been practicing the skill of trading, I have never found a project this incredible. And guys, I'm going to log in live for you and show you all the benefits and features of the new trading platform that I want to introduce to you. Now, please note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes only. Let's go and have a look. So here it is. It is Vourteige, okay? Vourteige.com. Now, in here, okay, it is an incredibly easy website to get amongst, okay? Finding what you need to find is very, very easy. So at the top, you've got home, the firm, trade, online, education, compliance, membership, technology. You can see that I'm actually logged into my account. Now, this is opening the doors to the best and most lucrative trading opportunities where you deserve not only the chance to participate in trading, but also to pursue great opportunities for profitability. Now, guys, let me tell you, I've been trading for 8 years now. I'm a profitable Forex trader, and I have used probably over 100 platforms. I paid hundreds of thousands of dollars for mentorship, and I can safely say transparently to you that this platform has every single thing you need that I found over these 100 platforms. I'm not saying that they have the greatest ever signal, the greatest ever indicator, the greatest ever. There probably is some you could buy for millions and millions of dollars, but this has everything that you need to be a profitable trader, and I would pay for this over any of the 100 platforms I've used. So you can get involved with the web-based trading. Okay, it's the current age of digital technology. The online trading through platforms have become widely preferred method like I use. They make it very, very possible for even just the normal person to get in here and start learning the skill. Even not just normal beginners, but expert traders can come in here and expand on their skills. Okay, you deserve no less. So here, they recognize the immense courage it takes to embark on the initial trading venture, and be assured every single thing will be laid out for you so perfectly. You'll have an expert by your side all the time. They're not just going to throw you into this financial world and think you're going to come out as Wolf of Wall Street. They're going to be by your side this whole time through every unpredictable moment, through every single crash in the market, everything that happens. They're going to be there applying the mentorship that you need so you can have risk-free trading. They've done their homework, okay? You can trade with peace of mind knowing that these experts, they're not just made experts from somebody on Instagram leaving a review. These have been inside the trading miles longer than I have, okay? I don't class myself as an expert yet. These guys are the real deal, okay? They can really, really help you out. And you can sign up today with the link down below, okay? But why should you choose this platform over any other? First of all, the security that never fumbles. It is paramount that you have an honest and transparent platform to trade on, okay? Your data is safeguarded through encryption, and they enforce a two-factor authentication, so it is impossible to even mess up the security side in this platform. Let the boundaries disappear so you can define your preferences and acquire exactly what aligns with your needs. It's not about what the company is going to give you, it's about what you want and the boundaries you want to set, and they will align towards that. Progress never stops, so while you might be starting as a novice today, this trading platform is designed to support your gradual evolution into the skill of the best of days ahead and a fight to unfathomable heights. Guys, you can literally start making, half your monthly wage in a day, something crazy like that. If you learn this skill, you can make a fortune, you can make a small lump of money that could just help with the bills. It's up to you how much work you put in and up to you how far you want to go up this ladder. But either way, they will be with you to show you what goal that they think you should take. And if you run with that, guys, it can be, like it says, unfathomable heights to what success you see. It's issued as proof of membership of the Market Securities Insurance Commission, so you can be rest assured this is absolutely, completely compliant. Okay, now let's have a look at some of the other features. So inside the platform, this is what the web trader looks like, guys. And if you're brand new, this might be a bit crazy to you, but obviously as an expert trader or even just someone that knows Forex trading, okay, you can see what this is. Now you've got your chart. It looks very, very cool. All right, you can get used to all the different ones at the bottom to help you indicate your chart if you want to put vertical lines in any way you want. Things like that, guys. And obviously I'm not here to teach you how to trade. I'm just showing you the examples, okay? You can get different indicators on here. All your currency pairs are down the sides. If you want to change to, for example, Euro New Zealand, just simply click on that, okay, and it will change it for you. Guys, very, very cool, okay? You can have multiple charts up at once. Web Trader is insanely popular, all right? It's very, very cool. You can see the user interface is so friendly. Even if you didn't know what this was, you can see that to sell, you click here. To buy, you click here. This is the chart. It's pretty simple. Now, for those of you that don't know what Forex trading is, Forex is the foreign exchange market. Now, imagine if you're going on holiday and you want to give $100 to the cashier to change into Great British pounds because you're traveling from the United States to England. You don't spend the money during your 10-day trip. You go back to the airport and you say, hey, change this back to the $100 I had. They give you a less amount or a more amount. And you say, well, I didn't spend a penny. How has it changed? That's because you just entered the foreign exchange market. But instead, you're doing it by physical attributes. This is a digital online Forex trading space. Okay, so you can do this in bucket loads. It's the #1 traded industry in the world. So guys, everyone takes part in the Forex exchange market. You just don't know it. When you put money in your banks, they actually trade in the Forex market with your money. Okay, it's crazy, guys, but you can take part and actually take the commissions instead of banks and stuff taken all your money, and this is what we teach you. CFD trading, okay, CFD trading is fantastic. This is literally where you focus. CFD trading is contract for different trading, okay? If you don't know what this gives you a distinctive edge in the market participation. It doesn't actually give you ownership or sale of the underlying asset. You just take contracts for these, okay? And this will be explained more to you as you go through the education. Guys, if you want to get involved, there is a link down below, okay? I do recommend getting involved in this platform. Like I said, I am an experienced trader, and this is the platform that I would recommend to everyone, my family, my friends, my loved ones, my strangers, okay? This platform is accredited by the Market Securities and Insurance Commission, like I said before, so please, please, please do not worry about this not being trustworthy, okay? Just simply hit more details and get involved in the membership. Guys, it's incredible, okay? It's very, very easy to do. They will talk to you all the way through it, and you'll decide what kind of package that you want. Guys, for me, this is a no-brainer, okay? If you want to get in the Forex market, this is for you. If you're already in the Forex market, this is going to help expand your reach. And if you think you're a professional trader and you need zero help, this is going to be there for you so your community can actually get help as well and take the pressure off. Guys, I love this platform. If you want to get involved, hit the link down below, follow the instructions that I said. Have a great day. Get involved in the Forex market and the CFDs, okay? It's incredible. And I will see you after you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. I'll see you on the next video.